Hello everyone, here we have the 2018 Plus G Wagon AMG upgrade kit. This fits all the old models from 11 right up to 17. So if you've got one of them old ones, fancy a facelift, get in contact with Vehicle Revolution and the guys over there will sort it out. Let's run through the kit now for you so you see what you get for your money. So you get the AMG bumper with a crash bar behind it, the GTS grille made from ABS plastic, same with this, polypropylene ABS with a crash bar behind it, all fitted in. You get your headlight front covers, you get your headlight, look at that beauty. Let's have a look at it. So you can see the quality level of what you get. This is absolutely exceptional. So there you can see, oh, I nearly dropped it, you see. So you get that, put it back in. You get your wide arches, you get your side trims, you get your holders for your headlights, you get your license plate holder, you get all the bumper trims, you get all the bolts, more bumper trims. And there's your badges that go there. Brackets to hold on. And then you've got your G lights, rear reflectors, rear brakes, indicators. Let's have a look at these indicators. Again, show you the quality level of these. There we go. Full wiring pack as you can expect. It's going to go onto this old one. Look, they've totally stripped it. But wait till we've done with it. Wait till you get this on. That'll be on the next video. We will have the after. And hopefully these guys will do an installation video as well. And here we are, Prestige Wrap Customs, up in West London, who we use due to the exceptional quality of their work. So, if you want to facelift your kit, vehiclerevolution.com. So welcome everyone, welcome to the revolution, Vehicle Revolution.